Sleeve delete kit 2021 coming at you. Shootbuddy.com.
Live on location at Penny's Diner, Wellington, Kansas. A little bit off the beaten path, but that's where we had to find a hotel because Mid-America Dragway is literally in the middle of a cornfield.
That's true. Sorry.
I'm heading to back to Thunder Valley in Noble, Oklahoma. Hopefully get some good steaks tonight. Hopefully Andy will win.
Yep.
Drink some Busch Lights. And load my pile of junk in pieces up and head north.
One more day.
That's a good plan, right?
Yeah. The YouTube said that the internet needs more red. What can you break them off with?
It's got more of it now.
We're working on a contract to hire him, but it's just real expensive.
Trying to clearance the fender over here.
Well, clearance.
Oh my, hold the whole car, dude.
Hey, back up. All right, stop. And then get a snap. There you go, back up again.
Back up.
Not too more, damn.
Go ahead. All right.
Oh man, we can almost paint that. Almost paint it.
Come back. A little bit more. All right.
Nice work, Andy.
That's all you need with our body shots, a pickup truck, and a chain.
Don't need all that fancy tooling. All right, guys, so after a couple days on the road, we regrouped, gained our composure, and me and Red decided we're dropping this thing right off of the chassis shop. We want to at least be able to make it to Race Week 1.0. There's rumors there might be another Race Week thing too, but we want to get right back on it. So we're hauling it up to Larry Jeffers Race Cars. He said he would slide us in. A buddy of mine gave me his spot at the chassis shop who was just getting ready to take his car. So in the meantime, we're gonna pop the heads off, pop the engine apart, assess the damage so we know we can start getting parts ordered to get this thing rebuilt. It's gonna cost a lot of money, a lot of time, especially in today's world with part shortage. We need to know and get on top of things if we wanna be able to start racing this thing anytime in the near future. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna take it apart as best we can, assess the damage, and figure out what we need to replace before we get it there.
Get enough of these and get one of them Chinese welders, we can zip zap all the pieces back together, hand sander back down, file it up.
Times are tough finding parts. I think we're gonna reuse that ring.
It's a buff right here.
It's gonna come right out.
It'll be a grinding job before a buffing job, but I can tell you what.
Hey,
It's Vincent.
he's all about
That's a problem.
we got here, we can switch the car over. We're gonna try to go while the sun's out, just make a nice clean A to B pass. If we go 40s, 50s, kind of anything like that, should solidify first place. And then once it starts to cool off a little bit, we'll load up a spicy tune and give her the beans. But it left, it looked good, it felt good. I know we clinched it. I needed better than a 6-second, and I pretty much made it unapproachable for anybody else. I think we did good. I'm pumped. This is awesome. Thank you. 5:14, a new personal best. We won with a new personal best. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. I'm pumped. I couldn't be any happier. We're gonna get rid of the screws. We're gonna go an O tonight. Oh my gosh. Woo!
I don't know. He may have got confused because the plan was to try to duplicate the 17 from last night to secure first place in his class. The airs actually got worse, but the track must be a little better because it went a 14. So now I think we're going to step it up or get ignorant with the tune-up and see if we can maybe go a 5-0 something. You know what I mean? That would just top it off after wrecking Doug's car. We need something good to happen, right?
That was awesome. We went a new personal best on that run, and what's next is we're going to go 5-0 something tonight.
Not 5-0. What else?
4-9.
No, what else?
What?
We're gonna go out the quarter mile.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get that 7-7 pass also.
No GT
GTO has ever gone in the 7s yet.
On an IRS.
I don't know how, but it hasn't happened, so I might as well set a record, right?
We do it. Next time.
Yeah, I told him, I said, dude, you gotta run that. It's this Carnage GTO.
That's a great car. Something about a black Nova, early Nova, does it for me. Hey, it's Nick Taylor. So we get that car turned back around. See Andy Cook coming down.
What was your other? 515? That's not even. Wait, what did it go to? Turn the wheels back around. Is that all you got? Yeah, that's it. I mean, we're here, the car's unloaded, and we think we can try to put a little more power in early, see if we can go deeper into the 7s, push the record a little bit farther.
Holy cow, Andy. 513?
513 to the 8, 797 to the quarter.
Woo!
Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0 2021 is closed.
Yeah!
Put this award out because, I mean, I guess he kind of won anyways, but the spirit of racing, the spirit of being around all this stuff. But SODOWSKY, the guy had an absolute terrible Rocky Mountain 1.0, but he brought his daughter with, you know, the guy just continues to smile, and he's here and he supports all these events. So we wanted to present him with this. Hey,